Hey everybody, what's happening? Big T here with the Cook Show. Hey, for those of you who are joining us for the very first time, please go ahead, take a second, hit that subscribe button down there and the notification bell so you can see when we upload the new videos. Appreciate it. Today, what we're going to cook, I'm going to show you guys how to make some French toast. Some folks know how to make French toast. Some folks never made French toast in their life, okay? Well, this ain't your grandma's French toast. This is a special Big T version of some French toast. You guys are gonna love it. Let's cook something, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get started. Right off the bat, let me show you all a little something, okay? I'm gonna drop this. This right here is Black Label. For those of you who can see that, this is a thick cut bacon, okay? Go ahead and get my skillet preheated there up there around medium. This thick cut, I like this better when you're having it with French toast than when you're just having it with regular eggs and such. Go ahead, you know how we do it. Not sliding this off in there, one strip, two strips, nope. We're just gonna go ahead and get rid of the whole thing. Shoot, just like that. So simple, so simple, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, get this in here. Let him do his thing in there. We'll take care of him in just a second, okay? Now, French toast, for those of you who do not know how this works, okay? It has to have a little bit of egg base, egg wash, and some other ingredients, and I'm gonna show you how those work right now, okay? This here, I'm gonna go ahead and put about 5 eggs in here, okay? Get that right there. This is really simple. You know, I know you go to your favorite restaurant and a lot of you like pancakes, a lot of you like French toast. So make this real easy for you. Get those eggs down in there. We're just gonna lightly whisk these up, okay? Whisk these up just like you would do if you were making yourself some scrambled eggs, okay? Break all those yolks up in there. Now if you like the fluffing this up, you know, you could drop a little bit of milk down in there if you wanted to. Make it nice and fluffy. Okay? Just gonna beat them eggs up in there a little bit like that right there. Very simple. That's enough. Okay? Go ahead and get rid of that whisk. Get this skillet right here preheated. Put him up on medium low. Okay? Now, I'm gonna take these eggs and I'm gonna pour them in this little flat tray right here. You'll see why in a second, okay? Because like I said, this ain't grandma's French toast, okay? Let me show you what we're gonna do our French toast with today. You see this bread right here? This is amazing. For those of you who would like to know what this is an egg bread, okay? It's right out of your local bakery. This particular bread I happened to pick up this morning. We are here in Florida. I picked it up at one of my favorite grocery chains, Publix supermarket. So this is a fresh bread made this morning. This is gonna be superb. You're gonna love it. So, you know, you can use regular sliced bread, but if you're gonna go through the trouble to make yourself something nice, why do the regular sliced bread when you can do something incredible, okay? Really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up. Get that down in there. Nice little thick slice like that right there. Open him up. See? Now, we'll get one more slice in there. Just like that. Open him on back up. Now, before I do this, I'm gonna drop a couple little piece of butter down in here in my pan. Okay. Get this down in here, get this ready. Get this butter melting off down in there. Okay. So that when I put the toast down in there with the egg batter on it, it starts to cook nicely. So we'll let that in there just like that. Spread him around a little bit. Because you want the whole bottom of the skillet with your butter on it. Okay? Let that get in there for a second. I'm gonna take an opportunity right now to flip over this bacon. Been in there for a couple minutes. Separate him up like that. Don't be scared of it. Just go ahead and separate it up. It's gonna cook, don't worry, trust me. Been doing this a long time. Okay, get that down in there. Keep that heat up just a notch. All right, that skillet right there is ready. Now I'm gonna take this bread that we just sliced. See, that's why I put it in this long flat pan dish. I'm gonna sit him down in there like that right there. Nice and easy. Then I'm gonna just flip him over to the other side. Okay, just like that. Now before I drop him off down in that skillet, I'm gonna go ahead and take, this is something real simple. You guys see that? This is just ground cinnamon, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit of ground cinnamon on here. Like that. I'm gonna take him right out of this dish. I'll lay him face down in there, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit more ground cinnamon, put it on this side. However, what you do not know is what's waiting in behind that egg carton right there that's going on that French toast. And that, my friends, is crushed coconut. Okay? We're gonna lay this across here like that right there. That's gonna be so good. When you taste this for the first time, you're gonna be amazed at how delicious this is. Okay? Let me go ahead and get this other bread flipped over. Some more cinnamon on him. Remember, when you put this in here, we're gonna put this in here with the cinnamon side down, okay? Just like that. So that we can put some more cinnamon on the side that's up here in the way, okay? Getting a little low in that container. And we're gonna go ahead and put some more coconut on him also. Just like that. Okay? Spread him on out there. Don't be scared of it. And you're gonna let that sit in there for about 2 minutes. Okay? I'll let him sit in there, do his thing for about 2 minutes. And I'm gonna flip him over. Give me just 1 second, we'll be right back. All right. So, we've gone ahead, I flipped this over, cooked it on the side with the coconut for about 2 minutes, okay? Still on medium, right? And it's giving that coconut a nice little browned look to it. And our bacon is still going here. He'll be ready here in a few minutes. But just so you know, I put coconut on both sides of this French bread, okay? So right now he's on the other side, and I'm gonna let him stay on there for about 2 minutes on medium low, okay? So he can get that coconut flavor up inside that bread, all right? So our bacon will be done here in just a moment, and we'll go ahead and show you how this wraps up, okay? Get your taste buds ready, you're gonna love this. Okay, everybody. So our bacon is finished cooking, okay? And I've got the last 2 slices of French toast up in here. Go ahead and flip these bad boys over. Turn this heat off. Done with that. Get this coconut golden brown on the other side. I'm gonna let him sit in there for about 1 minute, okay? Let him do his thing. And then we're gonna show you how it looks plated up. And I hope you enjoyed this. You know, French toast, egg bread, coconut, ground cinnamon, and it's really simple. And let me show you what this looks like. Give me just a second. And here we have it, folks. Like I said, this is not your grandma's French toast. This is amazing, okay? A beautiful thing you've seen today on the Cook Show by Big T. Coconut and cinnamon French toast. Boy, look at here. That is something so beautiful. You know what time it is? It's time to eat. Listen, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Quick and simple, nice little slamming breakfast. You got it in your own house, right? And just remember, if you like the video, please comment below, okay? Please comment below. Share this with all your friends. I'm so excited. We just hit 150 subscribers and I'm on my way to 1,000 and I sure could use some help. I hope you enjoy this. Please make it. Hey, it's really, really simple. If you got any questions, need any help, just comment below and I'll help you get it done. Until the next time, peace out. Coconut, cinnamon, French toast. Hope you have a great day.